I've already started harvesting my sweet potatoes. I have one here in the ground. My harvest so far, they haven't been very big. Maybe if I left them for a while longer, they would have come out a bit larger. But so far, I'm getting these types of potatoes. Small ones right here. The one I have in the ground here, trying to get this out. It's a fairly decent size. I don't have a fork that can break into my soil. My soil is mostly clay right now, and the fork that I have is a fairly light fork, which is unable to make an impression in the type of soil I have. So I have to be using my trusty machete, basically. So I'm gonna get this out and then you can see how easy it is to grow. If you give this time, they can become as large as the amount of time you have, basically. Okay, let me see if I can get it here.
Sometimes I contemplate and wonder what is wrong. Though I try so hard, I just can't get along with man to man isn't just, yeah. And I don't know who to trust. Still I say living is the most.
So here we go. So these are the type of sweet potatoes I've been doing. I guess based on what I've seen, these are the Beauregard type. But basically all I did was get some old vine from one of my neighbors, and I just planted them directly in the ground. I didn't cultivate any slips. I didn't do anything more than cut up pieces of old vine just like you see in here, about 16 inches in length each. Thereabouts. I didn't really measure them. It could have been from 12 to 16 inches. I just planted them about 8 inches or so apart, 8 to 12 inches apart, and planted all down this row. So I'm gonna finish harvesting down this row here. This is from one plant basically, and so I should get a decent yield. This is my first attempt, so it's not too bad. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave about half of this in the ground for the next 2 months or so, just to see how large I can get them. But this is it, harvesting sweet potatoes. Alright.